Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be turning myself into an avatar. That was one of my characters that I wanted to do for like the 31 days of Halloween. So I'm going to attempt to do that, and I'm not going to talk too much like during the video. So I guess it's going to be just like a sped up like video of me like doing the makeup and stuff. I'll try to get like the best angles of it, but I'm gonna have to like set you guys up, and then I'm gonna be doing like my makeup. That's why I have these like little beads in my hair and like braids, because she has braids in her hair and like little beads and stuff. So I have this going on. But yeah, if you wanna watch me turn myself into an avatar, just keep on watching. I did the nose contour, and I did a little bit of white in the middle and under the eyes, and then I put blue in like my hairline, and I'm gonna fade the dark blue into the light blue so it could, you know, look like ombre-ish and it won't look like this. So that's what I am currently doing. But oh shoot, most of this is like a lot of blending, and so it's my first time working with water activated paints, so I'm struggling a little bit on trying to like blend things out, because obviously you need water to activate the paint, and every time I put water, you know, on like the brush or the paint to like activate it, I just do a little bit and then I apply it. But then if I get this color wet, you know, like the one that's already on my face, it like rubs off, or like it's weird, it like moves and then it looks patchy. That's why I struggled with like with this color. And then I finally got like a little sponge and I was like dabbing it, and it kind of worked. But that's my issue right now, is working with the water activated paints. Girl, just go, no one cares. Okay, so I kind of fixed it, you know, the little blending or whatever. I think I got it. I mean, I don't have it down, but like I just fixed it with how I could. So now I'm just gonna do the avatar, like their little lines, their stripes, not lines, but like. I put this like little necklace on. I got this from the thrift store and it was like a long necklace and I ripped it. Well, I like cut it and put these in my hair so it like kind of matches. But I just found it at the thrift store. So next I'm gonna do the little dots. I have to like go down lower because I don't have a taller like little stand. So I'm gonna use a color-based primer as like my color, which is by Beauty Creations. It's basically like white paint. And what I'm gonna do, I have a tiny brush. This is a paintbrush. I'm just gonna do a bunch of, what is this? Oh, here. A bunch of like little dots.
Like as an avatar character.